Very good morning, students. Welcome back to second year physics. In the previous class, we finished about a electric potential due to dipole, right? Now let us will see the problems because in the previous class also I told you one problem. So now let us will move to the other problems on the basis of complete related. So because we have on the basis of potential also we have problems. So look at the page number 134. See, this is pure problems session only, so that you write problem. This is the problems. So page number 134, question number will be 1. Yes, everyone open your materials so that it is better, right? So question number 1, in that one, first question is asking, calculate the potential at a point P due to a charge. Locate 9 centimeter away. It is located at a how much distance is asking electric potential. In this question number 1, calculate the potential at a point P due to a charge of 4 into 10 power. See, you take a charge is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb, and it is at a distance is how much is given, R is equal to 9 centimeter away. So 9 into 10 power minus 2 meters. So is asking potential. Of course we know K Q by R it is. Is it K Q by R? No? So by using this we know K value, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, which is equal to 9 into 10 power 9. So that 9 into 10 power 9 into Q value will be, it is 4 into 10 power minus 7 by R will be 9 into 10 power minus 2. Suppose this 10 power minus we can say 9 cancelled, this you take up, so 7, 10 is cancelled, so that here 4 into 10 power minus 7, no, so 9 minus 7, maybe it is minus 2, I'm sorry, plus 2 it is, right? And this denominator also minus 2 is there, no, you take up, therefore it is becomes V is equal to 4 into 10 power 4 volt it is. This is the method to do the problem. Simple it is, right? So like here you take a next problem, in that only same, there is a B bet is given, B, see in this first problem B, look at, hence obtain the work done in bringing a charge of, see how much is bringing, 2 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb. There is a charge is bringing 2 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb. So 9 is nothing but a nano. From infinity to a point P, does the answer depend on the path along the charge is brought? You remember, it is no. It is independent on path followed. Everyone remember, because it is a conservative, no, so that it is does not depends on path followed. If non-conservative, of course it is depends. It is a conservative, so that the conservatives are not depends. So that is asking work done. So of course work done is equal to, we know, V into Q. So work done is equal to V, already we know, because already in the first we did 4 into 10 power 4, no, then you take V value 4 into 10 power 4, Q value will be 2 into 10 power minus 9. So W is equal to 8 into your 10 power minus 9 plus 4. So that 8 into 10 power, it is minus 9 plus 4, no, so it is approximately minus 5 joule. This is the work done. This is the work done. It is work done is equal to 8 into 10 power minus 5 joules. This is the problem number 1, which is the given like this. Okay, and here go for the second problem, continuation. There is a second one is given, page number same 134. Very simple calculation this one, right? Just multiply. Already we know and Q we know. There you substitute and get the answer like this. Let us move to the second problem. There is a second one. See, two charges are given, 3 into 10 power minus 8, minus 2 into 10 power minus 8 coulombs are located 15 centimeter apart. At what point on the line joining the two charges is the electrical potential is 0? Of course, null point is asking. So we know null point right? Null point we know, formula we know. So once you look at the null point formula, open everyone open that formula and see that formula, what is there in that formula. So there are two charges are given, that is q1 is equal to, it is given as what? See, 3 into 10 power minus 8 coulombs. q2 is equal to minus 2 into 10 power minus 8 coulombs, right? There are two charges are given. Directly we can take a null point formula. Of course we have null point formula. See, between also is there and away from also. We can take a both also, no problem. So that here, if between will be what happens, it is x is equal to null point. So distance between the two charges, how much is given? So 15 centimeter is given, that you say r is equal to 15 centimeter. So it is null point between you take. So that x is equal to r by q2 by q1 plus 1. It is between, no? It is between, right? So that here x r we know, r is nothing but 15 centimeter. 15 into 10 power minus 2. q1 and q2 is given. Therefore you substitute here q1 and q2. Clear? Therefore we will get the answer according to that. X is equal to r is 15 into 10 power minus 2, and here q2 is nothing but it is 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 plus 1, minus 8 minus 10 power 8 minus 10 power 8 is cancelled. Therefore x is equal to, it is 15, I mean to say minus by, it is 10 power minus 2 by minus 2 plus 3 by 3, LCM you take. Therefore here it is x is equal to, simple, it is 15 into 3 into 10 power minus 2 by, it is what happens, 1 it is. So x is equal to 45, 10 power minus 2. So x is equal to 45 centimeter. Clear? Okay, 10 power minus 2 in the sense is what happens, it is nothing but a what? We can say null point relation. Already we have null point formula. Use that formula, whatever the given q1, q2. Of course in our material it is different method, but already we know the formula, so that better use this formula. Directly we can. Or else you want to do as given in the material, you do it also, no problem. But instead of that, directly we have a formula, no? So that you go through this, it is better. Clear? So this is the information related to the second problem which is given in our material. So same page number. Right? Right. So other problems I'll tell you on the basis of this. Okay, look into the next pages. Yes. The page number 138. Page number 138. Page number 138, question number 8. Page number 138, question number is 8. Yeah. So very simple question. The dielectrical strength of air is given. In that you take air or in a free space 3 into 10 power 6 volt per meter. At a certain pressure, a parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates. Parallel plate capacitor, air between the plates. Okay, as a plate separation, there is a distance between the plates are given. 1 centimeter is given, right? Can you charge the capacitor to 2? Is asking. We can charge it to 3 into 10 power minus 6. See, is it possible or not? Is asking. Is it possible or not? We can charge it or not by using the given data. Is it possible to charge it or not? That we have to say. Whether we'll get the same answer, yes we can say, or else we cannot say it is not possible. So that here there is it is placed in the dielectric, no? E is equal to E naught by K, right? Because dielectric is there already. We know E is equal to E naught by K in the previous chapter. So that K value in air will be 1. So E is equal to E naught is 3 into 10 power 8 by 1. So it is 3 into 10 power 8 volt per meter. This will be E. Now it is the capacitor plates, so that means here it is the capacitor plates will be like this. So between these, so is it possible to charge it to this one? 3 into 10 power minus 6 volt is asking. So that we have to check whether it is possible or not. Of course, there is a relation we know, V is equal to E into D. There is a distance is given as 1 into 10 power minus 2 meters you take. Therefore, V is equal to E value 3 into 10 power 6 into 10 power minus 4. So, you subtract this 3 into 10 power 4 volt. See, is it possible to charge at that point? Is it possible? Not possible, because according to the given information we cannot. It is plus is given, sorry, it is a plus given, right? So that here actually is asking what? Till this 3 into 10 power 6, but we got 3 into 10 power 4 volt, no? So that we cannot charge up to the given value 3 into 10 power 6 volt, because we got it only 3 into 10 power 4 volt, you know, 4 volt no, so that it is not possible to charge up to this one. So it is the wrong. We can say we cannot. Answer we can say it is cannot to be charged up to 3 into 10 power 6 volt. So this is a relation between, we can say relation between V and D. This is a direct problem, it is given. So it is a page number 138. Suppose you go through like this. We'll move to the next one. Look into that. So I'll tell you another problem. Yeah. Right. See in a page number 144. Page number 144. Question number, page number 144. Question number will be 2. Right. See in a hydrogen atom, the electron and proton at a distance. See there is an hydrogen atom is given. Hydrogen atom, in that hydrogen atom, electron and proton at a distance is a plus q minus q. Electron is the minus q, proton is the plus q. So the distance between these two is given as is equal to 2a, that is equal to 0.5 angstroms. So that you say 2a is equal to 0.5 into 10 power minus 10 meter. Distance is given. So the dipole moment of the system, simple dipole moment is asking, of course. So dipole moment is equal to q into 2a. This is the formula. This is the previous chapter question, but unfortunately this was given in this chapter. So we know q, charge of electron or proton, plus q or minus q is equal to electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So p is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into 2a is nothing but a 0.5 into 10 power minus 10. Simple you say, it is we can say 16 into 5 by 100 into 10 power you say minus 10 minus 19, no? So that it becomes minus 29 it is. So this 100 also you take up 16 5s, right? So that 6 5s are 30 and it is what happens 5 1s 5, so that it is 80 into 10 power otherwise you cancel a 0 also no problem, 10 power minus 30 it is. Directly answer this. Dipole moment. Simple question. See actually this question related to the previous chapter, so no problem. So we can take the dipole moment of the system will be 8 into 10 power minus 30 is the answer. It is in coulomb meter, because dipole moment no, coulomb meter. Clear? So like this, simple problems are related to this chapter. Now we'll move into the next problem. Let us. The problem number is, see, question number 4. I'm sorry, question number 3. Look at question number 3. Page number is same 144, right? So there is a question is given. There is a uniform electrical field in the XOY plane. So in a given a plane, there is a one plane is given x, o, y. In this plane, E value is given as 40 I cap plus 30 j cap volt per meter given. If the electrical potential at the origin is, see, at an origin given, so that at an origin how much is given? 200 volt is given. So the electrical potential at a point with coordinates, see, there is a potential is asking somewhere else, at a potential is asking at this point, origin we know, there is a x and y is given at this point 2 comma 1, this is x and it is y. So that we can write like this, the position vector dr, the distance is position vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap. So dr is equal to x will be 2i cap and y will be j cap, that is you say j cap directly, dr is there, E is there, but is asking electric potential between these 2 points O and B. So you say here dV is equal to minus E into E dot dr. Shall I? So now dV is nothing but it is a initial and it is a final point. So that we can write a final minus, that is dV is equal to, you say P point, Vp minus V naught. So actually is asking at a Vp point no. So that a Vp minus a V naught is equal to minus E dot dr. So Vp minus V naught is given, that is at a origin given no. You say it is an origin, at a origin 200 given is equal to minus E into E will be 40 I cap plus 30 j cap dot dr is 2 I cap plus j cap. Suppose you do this, suppose do everyone this, yes you do it this, clear? No. Now you make Vp minus 200 is equal to, it is I dot I, becomes what happens 1. So minus of, it is 80, I dot j 0, again j dot I 0, then plus 30. So Vp minus 200 is equal to minus of 110. So this Vp is equal to minus 110 minus becomes plus no 200. So that it is Vp is equal to 80 volt at a point P. At a point P will be like this. Say look at here, there is a question given, the E is given in terms of vector 40 I cap plus 30 j cap. 40 I cap plus 30 j cap is given, and here at an origin the potential will be given 200 V, and is asking find a potential at a point P in a xyo plane. So there is a 2 coordinates are given 2 comma 1, that mean here x is given as 2, y is given as 1. So at a point P is asking the potential, that's what you say dP. The difference between the O and P, you say dV is equal to Vp minus V naught, because it is the initial and it is a final point. So E is there, V naught is there, dr also given in xi cap, yj cap. So x value is 2, y value is 1. So according to the relation dV is equal to minus E dot dr. So that the Vp minus V naught is equal to minus E dot dr. Vp minus 200 is equal to minus of 40 I cap plus 30 j cap, right? So dot of 2i plus j. So Vp minus 200 is equal to minus 80, because multiplication, this is plus this. So Vp minus 200 minus of 110. So Vp is equal to minus 10 plus 200. So Vp is equal to 80 volt. So look at the answer. I'm sorry, 90 it is. How 90? Okay. So this is 110 minus 200, no? 90 is the answer. So this is the one more problem. So you go through this, the solution. Which is given in the question. Clear? Right. Yeah. I'll tell you another question. That is the next question. Suppose you do 4th question as homework. If not, then I'll tell you also, no problem. Otherwise, we'll do the 4th problem only directly. Yeah, you take a 4th problem. Look at the 4th question. An equilateral triangle has a side of length is L. A charge plus Q is kept at a centroid of the triangle P is a point on the perimeter of a triangle. The ratio of minimum and maximum possible electrical potential for the point P. Yeah, you draw a diagram. The question number 4, the given is equilateral triangle is given like this, right? So that Q, R, P is the perimeter, right? So there is a, you take a one L point, this you take a, this is the P point. This is the, I mean to say something you take, not P. L, P, Q, R, S you take. So the charge is placed at a centroid. Which charge? Plus Q is placed. Now the question is asking the ratio of minimum and the maximum possible electrical potential at the point P is. See, at a point P is asking R maximum and R minimum. The line of segment is divided into two ratios, because you take from here, which may be, it is maybe it is 1, it is 2. 2:1 it is divided, right? So one will be maximum, one will be minimum. So when R is maximum, okay, R is maximum, at this point we'll get the V is minimum. R is minimum, therefore there will get the V is maximum. So first one I want to say minimum is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R maximum, because it is inversely proportional, definitely we will get the minimum. So V minimum is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R maximum will be 2. This is equation 1. And here is asking maximum value, no, R maximum is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R minimum you write. So what is the minimum value is there? So the maximum is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by 1. This is equation 2. Now you take a ratio, because it's asking what? Minimum to maximum or minimum to this one. So 1 divided by 2. So minimum by maximum is equal to, what is minimum is there? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by 2 by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by 1. 1 by 4 Q cancel. So V minimum by V maximum is equal to, it is 1 by 2. So the answer will be V minimum is to V maximum is equal to 1:2. So this is the method to do the problem. Simple is asking, at a P is asking what is the minimum and what is the maximum value. You take a maximum and minimum, it is a V minimum and it is a V maximum. Suppose you take a both ratios, will get the minimum is to maximum is equal to 1:2. Clear? So this is the way we have to do like this. This is the problem related to the page number 144, question number 4. Like that we have question number 5. So you do that question number 5 as homework. Okay, otherwise I'll tell you in the next class, no problem. In the same way, 146 page number also, again we have some other problems also. Suppose if anyone interested to do, otherwise I'll tell you in the tomorrow's class. Next class I'll discuss these all problems, remain what are the problems are there, right? Clear? So this is actually related to what? Electric potential due to a dipole, and as well as the electrical potential due to a point charge, as well as the relation between E and V also. E and V also, related concept and related problems we finished. Clear? So we'll see in the next class. Thank you very much. So that you go through the problems, whatever the problems we discussed in this class. Thank you. We'll see in the next class.